Let's do an update on Aduro. So as you know, I did my 10 video series here. It's in the playlist on the YouTube channel. And in the video, I talked about how the company did a private placement like 4 months ago. And there was a chance that there was going to be an extra selling pressure because those shares became tradable. And it doesn't appear to have caused much selling in this market. You see, I released the videos somewhere like July 20th, somewhere around here. There was a little bit of sell-off here, but then now we're in the 80s. This is Canadian dollars. So we're holding up pretty well. And if you are looking at the number of shares that now trade, like yesterday, 48,000 shares on the Canadian Stock Exchange. So there's not very many shares available. And obviously I didn't know. I had no idea what was going to happen. There was a possibility that more shares were going to come on the market, but it doesn't appear to be happening. So maybe the holders are strong hands. They know what they own. They want to be in the story for quite some time. And so now going forward, what to expect? Well, sometime September, October, we can expect the R2 being finished. And there's a lot of things happening behind the scenes. As the management said, they're talking with a lot of players. They're going to a lot of conferences. So at this point, because there's not a lot of shares available, any little thing, any little press release talking about possibility of this, possibility of that, or any client sign up, any sort of pilot, or it can really be explosive for the stock simply because there's not a lot of sellers, and any extra buying at this point could really drive the stock price forward. So we'll see. So that's the update. I'm looking forward to R2 being finished September, October. I'm pretty relieved that not a lot of shares came on the market and crashed the stock up to this point. So I think we're looking good.